Go ahead.
Alright guys, I am spray testing my smoke detector.
What are you spray testing it with, Jack?
Ah,
Show me the can. Show me the can. Turn it so I see the whole, like the name and everything. Nice. Okay, now let's do it again. Ready? This is how people should test their smoke alarms.
this is how people should test the smoke detectors.
Yeah.
It's right if you get off that, and it takes you to 3/4 up narrow gauge.
Yeah. What's going on?
Do it right over the vent, like right over the.
There we go. Should go off.
Yeah.
See? Why's it not going off?
I don't know. Hold on. Okay, try it again.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
We have to do a lot.
Maybe it's overcome with Axe scent. Oh, there it is. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, it's done.
It works.
It works.
How everyone should test their smoke detectors.
And that's just how everybody should test the smoke detectors.
I totally agree. I think it's the way.